Honey, you can make these skillet fried apples just at home. You don't even have to go to Cracker Barrel to eat them. So come on, I'll show you how to make them. It's an easy recipe and they taste so delicious. In this bowl, I've washed, peeled, cored, and sliced about 8 apples. And I had these green ones and I had the red ones. I guess it really doesn't matter which kind you get. That's all they had at the store. And after I peeled them and washed them, I've got them soaking in water and lemon juice or lime juice, whichever, so they won't turn brown. So we did that. I'm going to take a pan and I've got 4 tablespoons of butter sliced up that I'm going to melt. And I got 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar that I'm going to put in there too. And we're going to let this melt. After I've washed and peeled the apples, I use this apple wedger to slice the apples and take the core out. And it's a real handy little gadget. Okay, this is melted. And we'll turn the heat down to medium. I'm going to drain my apples. Drain them real good. I'm going to put them in the butter and the brown sugar. Toss them around, let them get good and coated. Then we're going to get them good and coated. And then we're going to place the lid on it and let them cook for a few minutes. I've stirred them again, they're getting soft. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple pie spice. And then stir that around. Then I'll put the lid back on it. We're going to let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then we're going to put our slurry in. Stir it about every 5 minutes. Look in the description on my video on how to make apple pie spice. These skillet fried apples are great to put on pancakes, waffles, as a side, and especially with pork chops. They're just good for a lot of things as a dessert. So you got a lot of use out of them. My apples have been cooking for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add the slurry. And it's 1/4 cup water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix that together. I'm going to add it to our apples. I'm going to stir it real good. Let it get thick. And they're really thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of, this is a half a cup of apple juice. Let's just pour a little bit in there. Depends on how liquid you want yours. We'll pour the rest of it in there. Let it cook for about another 10, 15 minutes on low, and we'll be done. The apples are done. We're gonna see what they look like. Don't these look wonderful? They're soft, smells like heaven. Can't get nothing better. Homemade skillet apples, fried apples. They're tender, juicy, hot. Oh. Oh my goodness. They are so good. With that spice, it's not too strong. These are tender. So I hope you try these. It don't take very long to do them. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Eating these will make you slap your mama.
That's right.
No.
It was something.
You might get your teeth knocked out.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for watching my videos. And as always, God bless.